Hey everyone, I want to share something that is valuable that I'm passionate about. Remember, you cannot conquer anything without conflict. Let me give you my understanding of conflict and peace. Conflict is a class of interest. It always be part of society. The basis of conflict is the personal, rational, class, political, interest groups often flows as a specific cause. The opposite of conflict is well needed. Peace which is states or period which is there's no war. Peacefully, harmony, amity, goodwill, friendship, non-violence, non-aggression. The benefit of these will be strong society, strong economic, with its